Happy morning, children. I hope you're all fine and safe at home. Children, did you enjoy firing the crackers? I hope so. Okay, were you safe? Very good, children. Very good. Did you enjoy well? Yes, very good, children. Today, what you are going to learn is Appu's delightful day. Appu's delightful day. Okay, shall we see now? Yes. Keywords. Keywords. First one, delightful. Delightful. In Tamil, மகிழ்ச்சிகரமான. மகிழ்ச்சிகரமான. Second one, farmer. Farmer. விவசாயி. In Tamil, விவசாயி. Third one, dry field. Dry field. வறண்ட நிலம். வறண்ட நிலம். Fourth one, farming. Farming. Okay, விவசாயம். விவசாயம். Fifth one, sale. Sale. In Tamil, விற்பனை. விற்பனை. Sixth one, teamwork. Teamwork. குழுப்பணி. குழுப்பணி. First one, delightful. 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 Farmer. 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 Dry field. DRY. Dry. Field. 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 Farming. 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 Sale. 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 Teamwork. 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 Children, write these words twice. Okay? Appu's delightful day. Appu's delightful day. The name of the elephant is Appu. The name of the elephant is Appu. Appu is a farmer. Okay, Appu is a farmer. Listen, children. Appu the farmer waters the plants in the dry field. Appu tells, I cannot continue farming. I cannot continue farming. So, it decides to sell the land. Appu decides to sell the land. Look at the board. Land for sale. The rat tells the Appu, Appu, your decision is not right. And the squirrel tells, we shall not have anything to eat. Appu replies, what can I do? No one supports me. What can I do? No one supports me. The rabbit replies, don't worry, we will help you. Don't worry, we will help you. Look at this picture. Something is happening there. What is that? Did you find? Yes, children. It is raining. It is raining. The squirrel tells, look, it is raining. The rat tells, this is the right time for us to work. And the rabbit tells, we can work together. We can work together. And Appu replies, okay, let us do that. Now, all the animals work together in the field. Look at the picture. Each one is doing different work like digging, planting, watering, etc. Now, Appu doubts and asks, will our plans work out? The rabbit replies, "Don't worry, teamwork never fails. Don't worry, teamwork never fails." Now you look at the field, children. Wow, how nice it is. See the number of fruits and vegetables. Wow, all the animals are enjoying it. All the animals are enjoying it. Okay, now the Appu tells, "Your help has made this happen. Your help has made this happen." If they don't help, Appu means it may not be happened there. Okay, all the animals helped, so the field has become very colorful. Finally, they decide to help all farmers. Here, you may think, how I can help the farmers because I'm too small. Your thinking is right, children, but still you can help the farmers without wasting food. Do you understand? Yes, children, don't waste food. Okay? Children, now you're going to circle the healthy food and cross the junk food. Okay, if it is healthy food means just circle the food. If it is unhealthy food means just cross the food. Okay, shall we do it? Yes. Look at the first picture. Your fruits. Is it healthy or junk food? Yes, it is healthy food. Okay, circle it. Next, ice cream. Is it a healthy food or junk food? Healthy food or? No, children, it is not a healthy food. It is junk food. But many of you like this. Am I right? Children, it is not good for our health. Okay, so you just cross the food. Okay, next one, idli, chutney, sambar. Yeah, it is healthy food. Circle it. Next one, noodles. This is not a healthy food, children. This is junk food. Please don't eat this. Okay, cross it. Next, pani puri. Is it healthy? Healthy? No, it is wrong. It is junk food. Just cross the food. Next one, burger. Cross it. Unhealthy, junk food. Next one, what is that food? Have you seen it? Yes, children, this is called nungu. Okay, nungu. It is healthy. Whenever you get chance to eat it, please buy and eat. Okay, healthy food. Okay, next one. Circle that, ma. Next one, pizza. No, it is junk food. Cross the food. Next one, ragi adai. Don't you like this? But you have to eat this. Okay, this is healthy food. Circle the food. Next one, finger chips. Unhealthy, junk food. Cross the food. Next, greens. Greens. Yes, it is healthy. Okay, so circle it. And the last one is vegetables. Yes, this you know already. Circle it. It is healthy food. Very good, children. Question time. Do you eat healthy food? Do you eat healthy food? If it is yes means, just you tick that yes box. If it is no means, just tick the no box. Yes, very good, children. Many have ticked yes. Very good, children. Next, does your friend eat junk food? What about your friend, children? Does your friend eat junk food? If your friend eats junk food means just tick S. If no means tick no. Okay, very good children, very good. I'm sure you and your friends are very good children. Very good, very good, very good. Tell your brothers and sisters not to eat junk food. Ask them to eat only healthy food, children. Okay, children, next. Write the names. Write the names. Children, look at the picture and write the name under it. Okay, in that 4 lines you have to write the name. What is the first picture? Yes, mango. Okay, second one, carrot. Very good. Third one, potato. Okay, potato. Fourth one, papaya. Fourth one, papaya. Very good children, very good. Now shall we read aloud? You repeat after me, children. P-U-P, pup. P-U-P, pup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. B-U-G, bug. B-U-G, bug. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. B-U-D, bud. B-U-D, bud. Next Roman. Circle the correct one. Circle the correct one. Look at the rat picture, children. The papaya is near to the rat or far to the rat? Look at that. If it is near means you have to circle this. If it is far means you have to circle that. Okay, now find. This is a papaya or that is a papaya. Which one is correct? Yes, this is a papaya. So circle this. Very good. Next one. Look at the mango, children. Is it near or far? Yes, it is far. Okay, what we have to use there? This or that? Yes, that. Circle the that, children, and read the sentence. That is a mango. That is a mango. This is a papaya. That is a mango. Very good, children, very good. Next one. Draw a fruit and a vegetable you like. Okay. Fruit and vegetable. Any one. Okay, you have to draw one fruit and one vegetable which you like. Okay, children, after drawing it, just write the name of the fruit and vegetable under it, as I shown here. Okay, I have drawn apple and brinjal, and I have written name of the fruit and name of the vegetable. Okay, it is your wish, children. You draw the fruit and vegetable which you like. It is your choice. Okay, very good, children. Now let us practice, children. Pup, cup. A pup in the cup. pup in the cup. Bud, mud. Bud, mud. A bud in the mud. A bud in the mud. Next, cub, tub. Cub, tub. A cub in the tub. A cub in the tub. Last one. Bug, jug. Bug, jug. A bug in the jug. A bug in the jug. Very good, children. Next, read aloud. Children, repeat after me. Ball on the wall. Ball on the wall. Yam in the jam. Yam in the jam. Fox in the box. Fox in the box. Zebra in the zoo. Zebra in the zoo. Vulture on the van. Vulture on the van. Doll with the bell. Doll with the bell. Very good, children. Think zone. Okay, what comes next? First, let us read out, children. But, bat, cut, cat, hut, dash. Children, this is a 3-letter word. The word should start with H and end with T. Okay, in between U and A, it comes alternatively. Okay, so let us find. First you have written H and last letter T. Okay, next U, A, U, A, U. What comes next? A. Okay, what did we get here? Hat. H-A-T, hat. Very good. Next, fan, fin, pan, pin, tan. Okay, this also 3-letter word should start with T and end with N. Okay, A, I should come alternatively. Shall we see? A, I, A, I, A, and what will come next? I. Okay, what did we get finally? T-I-N, tin. Very good, children, very good. Tin. Hat, tin. Very good, children. Now, let us know to read the word wall, children. You repeat after me with a spelling. Okay? This. T-H-I-S, this. That. T-H-A-T, that. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-O-N-G, along. A-L-O-N-G, along. S-H-A-L-L, shall. S-H-A-L-L, shall. I. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-V-E, have. W-I-T-H, with. W-I-T-H, with. W-E-V, W-E-V, V-E-R-Y, very. V-E-R-Y, very. A-M, am. A-M, am. Y-O-U, you. Y-O-U, you. TO 2 TO 2 THE 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 FEW 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 DID did did. Next, 3-letter words. BUG 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 bug. MUD 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 mud. TUB 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 tub. MUG 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 mug. CUB 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 cub. GUN 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 gun. BUT butt BUT butt. PUP 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 pup. BUD 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 bud. CUT 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 cut. RUB 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 rub. RUN 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 run. HUT 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 hut. CUP 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 cup. NUT 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 nut. JUG 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 jug. BUN 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 bun. GUM 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 gum. Children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Am I right? Okay, children, have a great day. Thank you.